Hey guys, what's up? So today I'll be showing you a very famous Chinese dish originated from the northeast of China called Di San Xian. This dish only requires 3 simple ingredients, but it's very delicious and it goes very well with rice. I'll guide you through the process of making this dish and I hope you enjoy it. Let's go. So this is a vegetarian dish and it has no meat. So first of all, a potato, some small aubergines here. I think they'll be really tasty. I just bought them from the supermarket today. You can use all sorts of aubergines. And also we have 1 green pepper and 1 red pepper. So there's your ingredients. So potato, peel. Slice the potatoes into pieces. We're going to start from an edge. We're going to trim off a piece and we're going to turn it a bit to get another piece. And then again, just very rough shapes. It doesn't have to be exact. Right? So you just roll it around and just try and get some pieces off. And then the last 2 pieces, there we go. Aubergines, trim off the heads and you can peel off some of the skin if you like. I'm going to peel off about half of the skin off for visual appearance, and also the skin can be quite tough and bitter to eat, so removing some of the skin will make the aubergines taste better. So remove the top and bottom and peel off some of the skin. Slice and roll. Slice it once, roll it, slice it again. You get about rough pieces, 4 to 5 pieces. In Chinese, we call this 滚刀 because every time you slice, you roll it. And the peppers, remove the insides. And you only need half a pepper each. This is to give it some color. So for the peppers, slice it into triangles. So slice and turn it around and then slice again. Right, garlic, slice it thinly and you only need about 2 cloves. Alright guys, so now we have our ingredients. We're ready to start cooking. Wok on. So first of all, I'm going to show you how to make some really crispy potatoes. In the wok, add some hot water. Bring it to a boil. We're going to blanch them. This is to soften the potatoes up. Give it a few minutes. Let it boil slowly so that the potatoes become cooked. Whilst the potatoes are cooking, we're going to sprinkle some potato starch flour into the aubergines because we'll be deep frying them in a minute. Give it a shake, just very roughly. This is to protect the aubergines from over frying and burning and give it a really nice crispy outer layer. Save this bowl for the potatoes. Back on the potatoes. So it's been about 4 minutes now. You can check the potatoes by using a stick and piercing it through. Right? That was very firm, so we need to boil it for a bit longer. Alright guys, been another few minutes. It's gone softer now and you can see the potatoes have become a bit almost flaky and it's releasing some of the starch because the water has become a bit cloudy. That's when you can take it out. Straight into this bowl and we're going to sprinkle some potato starch flour across and we're going to toss it. We're going to coat the potatoes in the potato starch because this will make it really crispy. So these are ready for frying now. Alright, wash your wok. Heat up your wok. Oil. About this much. Heat up your oil. How do you know your oil is ready? Get some water. Flick it. We're going to fry the aubergines first. Off the heat, aubergines in. Let it heat up. Aubergines don't take as long as the potatoes, so we need to fry them first. And also, they don't leave as much residue on the oil. In restaurants, we use a lot of oil for deep frying. This is because the wok is very deep, so we need more oil to be able to cook the ingredients. If you're cooking at home, you can use less oil and you can shallow fry the ingredient. Aubergines is becoming golden brown. They're ready to come out. Nice and colored. Strain the oil. And we're going to put the potatoes in now, one by one. Let's start with the biggest one because it'll take longest to cook. Turn off the heat, as you can see, because the oil is very hot. Let the potatoes set for about 10 seconds. Back on medium heat, push. Let it fry slowly. It's been about 2 minutes and the potatoes are solidifying. So because we've boiled them beforehand, you don't have to worry about the inside being a bit undercooked. 2 more minutes. So when the potatoes are nearly done, put it on high heat and get your peppers ready. peppers in, off the heat. Strain it. So the peppers only take 10 seconds. And there are your ingredients. Right, in the wok, bit of oil, garlic. Fry the garlic. Now, oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon. Light soy sauce, half a tablespoon. Put it together. Back on high heat. Stir. Water, 1 ladle. Literally a bit of salt, half a teaspoon. More sugar, about 1 teaspoon. This is potato starch. We're going to thicken it. And a bit more. This is the consistency you want, not too thick. All right, ingredients back in. Toss. And now we're ready to serve. This dish goes really well with rice. Let's try the aubergines. Nice and soft potato. Golden brown on the outside and very nice and fluffy in the middle. All in all, very good dish. Just be careful with the temperature of the oil when frying. You don't want to overcook them. Alright guys, thanks very much for watching. See you next time. Bye!